Hi everyone, it's Samina. I am chatting to you today about how to recruit new people to your clinics. So, just to start off, there is a whole Dropbox folder dedicated to recruitment. So you'll see on my screen here that we are in the Healthspace Dropbox folder. So this is where you find the recruitment folder. So Healthspace Dropbox, head to HR and staff, then head to positions vacant, ads, where and what to place them. Very long title. And you can see here it's been split up into different therapies. So, lots of different therapies. So let's go to chiropractic because that's the one that's a bit more complex than everything else, just in terms of the number of platforms that we can post ads on. So first of all, when you click on here, sample chiro ads, what does that mean? What that means is that we have a whole bunch of ads that you can just copy and paste the text into the platform. You don't have to worry about what to say. It's already written there for you. So if I go to chiro sample ads and open it, you can scroll down. We have so many different samples that you can use. I like to use a short one, so I'm just going to select this sample ad 2, shorter version. Okay, so once you have copied the ad, let's head back to the chiropractic folder, and now we have to check out where we can place the chiro ads. So if we open up this document, it says protected listings, only listings that Nickwood can use. So these are the industry classified platforms, Chiropractic Australia and Australian Chiropractic Association. These are paid listings, and as a director of chiropractic, only Nickwood can use these. Now there's a couple of different platforms that are protected that only the directors of the therapy can use. A good one would be the China books for acupuncture that only Maggie is allowed to use. So if it says protected listings, only the directors of the therapy can use that section. General listings. So we have a whole bunch of places where you can generally list a job ad. Gumtree, Medfin, Chiropractic Jobs Online. Gumtree and Medfin are free. Chiro is a paid listing. So there's just some general ones. I haven't found that they've been amazingly effective. Further down we have some more paid listings. Chiro Jobs Online, Natural Therapy Pages, Health Pro Discounts, Chiro Recruit, ATMS, Seek, and Indeed. Because we haven't really had a budget for paid listings, except for when it comes to the ACA and CA listings, I haven't really used any of these, so I can't vouch for their effectiveness. However, this is something that I do use really consistently. University listings. You'll see here that there are logins provided. If you click on the page, it'll take you to an employer login where you can log in and place an ad. Now, everything is really easy and straightforward to do with these. When you follow this link, it'll take you straight there. You just fill in the information. It just is usually like name, contact, location of practice, everything that you would need to advertise for a new chiropractor. Okay, and these university listings, they usually last for about 30 days and they're free. So I always place them about once a month. So here are the ones that I place more consistently than any other area. So these Facebook groups are specific to chiropractic recruitment. However, there are some that are general health practitioner Facebook ads. So have a look in your area. Some of them are called Inner East Inner East Health Practitioner Referral Network. There's an Inner West one as well. There are some Northern Beaches job ads or job groups. So just have a look for some specific Facebook groups in your area that you can post to. But these are the ones specific to chiropractic. So if you click on one of these, this is what I'm going to show you today, how to post an ad on Facebook. I've come to the Mossman area and Lower North Shore by Swap and Sell. I'm going to place an ad for the chiropractor. I'm just going to fix up the formatting a little bit because it's a bit wonky. Make sure that all of the text that you want is in here. So make sure it's all correct. We have 17 clinics currently. And if you want it to go to careers or to your personal email or to whichever email you want, just make sure all the information is correct. I'm going to get rid of this. And then I'm going to use a photo of our staff team members. You can also use photos of staff days, skills nights. Sometimes I like to include pictures of beaches if it's an eastern suburbs or northern beaches clinic. Or maybe if it's the Mossman clinic, you could do like a harbour view of the Mossman area. So just anything that looks pretty and is engaging for people to scroll past when they're in this group. So not just a blank ad. Okay, so we've got a really pretty picture of Emily and Isabel from one of our previous skills days, so we're going to open that. I'm going to get rid of any tags in the photo, just out of respect for our practitioners, and then you post. I'm not actually going to post it because I don't need to post this ad now, but that is the secret to recruiting people via Facebook. It's really straightforward. All you need to do is follow the directions in the Dropbox. So there you go. Thank you.